This applied to any differential equation. So whatever differential equation you have, you're gonna do these steps. Okay? Then we can use ODE. Now you will notice when you apply ODE, ODE requires that this one will be a column wise. So if you understand MATLAB, column wise. So that has to be written as these. So when you do it this way, x dot 1, x dot 2 is going to go horizontal in MATLAB. It's like a row array. So reads that you specifically force this to be a column type. To make sure it's a column type, like this one vertically, and this is number 1 and this is number 2, we have to insist that this has only one column. And you have the first row, second row, and this one will be identified as 1, 1, and this one identified as 2, 1. So we're going to fix this, come back say here and say this has to be 1, 1, this has to be 1, 2, 1. This is very important so MATLAB will understand it correctly. Okay, I'm done. I'm done in preparing for MATLAB. Now I'll show you how to do it in MATLAB. Okay, this is my MATLAB. I open MATLAB. You can find MATLAB in the store or in the university. Wait, I need what? I need to write this equation. So this is my equation, dynamic equation. So this is my function, but I need to simulate it, solve it using ODE for it. But first, you have to provide all the parameters. Minimum, L, B, these guys, B capital here, which is row, and so on. So first I have to provide the parameters. So you open a new script. This is my new script. Okay, you click here, new script file, and then here, typically for better organization, you start by a nice decoration like this. Then you say title of this work, what is it for? This is example for students, whatever, okay? And then who is related to which course? This is related to MEC 310. Okay, and the author, who is it? Okay, let's say developed by Raj Omar, in your case your name of course, not me. And this is date, the date that I'm doing this. Today is 23rd of October 2022. This is just a key information, so whenever you open the file, you'll see them there. Okay? Usually, whenever we start MATLAB code, we need to clear things. So, whenever you run it, it will clear all variables. Just a precaution, sometimes you have something in the memory and it will ruin your simulation. Now, I will start with the conditions, initial conditions. Initial, because usually whenever you solve something, integration, you need the initial conditions. These are the initial conditions that you can play with, or just initial condition واحدة. Yeah, what do we have? We have S0 equals some variable, some value. So what I want, as I said, my initial condition, to pull this pendulum and put it somewhere here and let it go. Here and let it go, that means S dot 0 is equal 0. S is M negative, so it's about minus how much? I want the angle to be 30, for example. So if this is 30 pi over 6, I need this distance times L. And L is about, I said L is 1, right? So by calculation, pi over 6 is 1. This is about 0.5 meter. So as if I'm pulling this 0.5 meter on the circular path and let it go. So it's 0.5. I should put, so this is initial position. All your parameters should be provided with comments. This is called comments. Initial position in meters. And then I have S dot